How to create password on REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a password on your REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your REDnote. After you open it up, head over to the Me section that is on the bottom right corner. After you head over there, you will need to head over to the settings page. For that, you will find the gear icon right besides Edit Profile. Tap on it and now you're on the settings page. After you've shared to create a password on your REDnote, you will need to head over to your account security. It's on the top. Tap on it and after you're there, you will see your mobile and your password. Now you will also need to add in your phone number. You can do that and head over to your password. So after you tap on password, you will be able to set a password. You will need to type your password in twice, one to just type in your password, the other to confirm it. Make sure that you use a really strong password that is between 6 to 16 letters. After you do that, you will be able to just create a password which you can use later on. And it's that simple guys, that is how you can create password on your REDnote app. Thanks for watching, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.